What's happening, everybody? Steve here, Raiken Profit, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm actually going to be sharing with you a video that I created in March 2013. And what's interesting is in March 2013, I just I don't know how long it was, maybe a couple months or maybe even 6 months. I'm not 100% sure, but I was going through a lot of hard times. I was trying to make money. Like, I was broke as a joke at the time. I might have had like $1,000 in my bank then. Maybe. I might have been lucky. But I mean, I was broke as a joke before that. I was like 50, 60 pounds overweight. As you can see in this next clip I'm going to share with you, I mean, I must have been 240 pounds. I was living at home with my parents. I think just recently I had like quit smoking cigarettes. So I was going through a lot of hard times. And I want to share this video with you, not necessarily for the content in the video, but just to show you firsthand that it doesn't matter where you are today, whether you're out of shape and you don't feel good about yourself with your health or your fitness, or maybe financially you're really in a tough place, or maybe you live at home with your parents like I did when I was around 26 years old. You might be unhappy, depressed, angry with life. But the point I want to make is it's never too late to change your life. And I want to show this video to you to inspire you, to let you know that, listen, guys, I've gone through it. I've gone from broke. I've gone from unhealthy. I've gone from depressed to, living at home with my parents. As much as I love my parents, I wanted to get my own place, but I didn't know how. I've gone from where you are, if you're dealing with that, to changing my life entirely, and you can do the same exact thing. So this video is not to brag or boast, but it's really just to open your eyes up in case you're a new viewer that, listen, I've gone through the hurdles, the ropes, the challenges, and you can too. So without further ado, I want to thank you guys so much for watching my channel, following me, subscribing, and hopefully this video inspires you. So I'm going to pass the video over to myself from March of 2013. Enjoy. Hey, what's happening, YouTube? It's Steve with Raiken Profit. And in today's video, I want to give you folks a few tips or strategies that are going to help you to be able to sell more clothes or sell them quicker or for a better profit if you're currently new to clothing and maybe having difficulty, selling your stuff and getting it off the shelf and out the door. So let's talk about a few tips that are going to be able to help you out. If you're new, you got to understand that there's going to be a learning curve, and it's going to take some time to be able to get the hang of selling clothes, and there's so many different aspects to it. You need to learn what to find, how to sell it, how to take good pictures, and there's just so many different factors that you need to realize. You're not going to get rich quick, and most of the shirts that you sell, you're only going to make $5 to $12 per pop for the lower end stuff. So anyways, with that being said, let's talk about some strategies that you can use to be able to improve your listings, sell them quicker, make more money, all that good stuff that you guys want to know. So let's get started. The first tip that I would suggest if you're having difficulty selling your clothes, I would ask you guys to reflect upon your pictures. Take a look at the quality of your pictures. How's your camera? Is the quality coming out really good? How's your lighting? Do you have awkward lighting? Do you have outside lighting with luminescence, or what do you got for lighting going on? Also, I would ask you to take a look at your background. What kind of background are you using to take your pictures against? Are you using a dirty wall? Are you using, dark colors against light ones, light against dark? What are you doing in terms of background? Also, are you cropping your pictures? Are you editing them? Are you, adjusting the contrast? What are you doing in terms of that? And also, are you only taking one picture, or are you taking, 5 or 6 of them? Taking a picture of the tag, the size, different angles? Are you really giving the buyer, all that he needs to be able to make a decision right then and there if he wants to buy the clothing? Because there's so many clothes out there. It's such a competitive arena. You got to understand that. If you're not separating yourself from the crowd, then what makes the buyer not move on to the next guy? And especially if you're new, you probably don't have too much feedback. You don't have too much of a reputation. You've really got to fine-tune that aspect in terms of pictures. The next thing I would look to improve is your listing. Are you giving a lot of details? Are you talking about long sleeve, the material? Are you taking measurements? Are you becoming a salesman? Are you just saying, I got a sweatshirt? Are you saying, I got a beautiful warm sweatshirt that'll be nice against the fire out in the snow? I mean, that's stupid, but you know what I'm saying? You got to sell your stuff, especially when you're new and you're not really sure what it's going to go for, become a salesman. Really sell the stuff. And lastly, I would say, are you taking measurements? And if you are taking measurements, are you doing it the right way? Are they accurate? Are you taking your chest to chest, your shoulder to shoulder, your length? What are you doing in terms of measurements? Are you even providing them? Because a lot of people, you know, they want to see the measurements. So I would definitely look at that. Now, the next thing that I would advise if your stuff isn't selling, take a look at the price. Are you priced, you know, with the market, or are you really high? I mean, you got to be competitive. Like I said, there's so many people out there selling clothes, and now that we're putting it on YouTube, you better believe there's even more people out there selling clothes. So take a look at your price. Are you looking to hit a home run every time, or are you satisfied with a single or a double? A lot of times I'm making $6, $7, $8 a shirt, and it doesn't seem like much, but you know, everyone's talking about the smalls. The smalls get you by. They pay your bills while you wait for that home run that comes every once in a while. So take a look at that. Also, are you using proper keywords? When you're selling outdoor stuff, are you using outdoor? Are you using camp? Those are just a few examples. What are you doing in terms of keywords? So you're going to definitely want to go on Google or find a keyword generator to be able to use the keywords that are going to attract the buyers to your listings. Because like I said again, I can't say it or emphasize it enough, there's so much competition out there. If your keywords are not good, or you're not using keywords that stand out to bring people to your listing, you're going to get less views, and you're going to give yourself less of a chance to be able to sell the item. And also, what are you using to sell your item? Are you using buy it now every single time? Are you offering a best offer? Are you doing auctions? Take a look at that. Maybe you want to switch up your style in terms of that. Maybe auctions will do better for certain items versus buy it now. Maybe you want to offer a best offer option onto your buy it now, because maybe people want a good deal. You know, these are things that you got to consider. And also, another good tip is offer free shipping. A lot of times I offer free shipping, and it brings a lot more people to the page. They like free shipping. Shipping is expensive nowadays, so free shipping will bring more people to your page. And also, are you offering 1-day shipping and handling time, or are you offering 5 or 6 days to ship out the item? That's gonna improve your chances of selling it if you ship it out quicker. People want it now. Right when they click on it, they want to have it right then and there. But, you know, that's not possible. So offer 1-day shipping, offer free shipping, take better pictures. Maybe you want a better camera, improve your lighting, get a better background, take more pictures, edit your pictures. Also, you know, like I said, I'm just reiterating, improve your listings, give more details, include the measurements, become a salesman, sell your stuff. If it's still not selling, drop your price, do better keywords, and, you know, those should definitely help to get you in the right direction. So I hope that helped. If you're not selling your stuff, just remember, you're new and there's always a learning curve. And, you know, if you keep going and you keep practicing and improving and making mistakes and learning from them, you're going to get to a point where you're going to be able to make some good cash. But you know what? You're not going to become a millionaire selling clothes. You're probably not going to be able to quit your job anytime soon selling clothes. So be patient, you know, learn what you can, and, you know, just hit those singles and doubles and wait for that home run to come around. So hopefully those tips helped. Appreciate everybody watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check me out at Raiken Profit, and everyone have yourselves a great day, and good luck selling clothes. Thanks for watching.